we discuss some board exam questions from aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. First question, complete the following equations. First one, CH3COCH3, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. You know, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl is the Clemmensen reduction reagent. Then you see in any question zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, then the CO group present in this given compound on undergo reduction to form CH2 group. The others will not change. CO group changes to CH2 group. So the answer is CH3, CH2, CH3 because reduction takes place here. Oxygen is removed and hydrogen atoms are added. CH3, CH2, CH3. So we get propane. So how will you convert acetone to propane? This is another question. So using amalgam and concentrated HCl, then we get CH3, CH2, CH3. Answer is CH3, COCH3, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl, then we get CH3, CH2, CH3 plus H2O. This oxygen plus another molecule of hydrogen to get H2O. Next question is CH3COCl. CH3COCl, acid chloride, acetyl chloride. Palladium in presence of barium sulfate on reduction. Then what is palladium in presence of barium sulfate? We use reduction is known as Rosenmund reduction reaction. Chlorine atom is replaced by this hydrogen atom, that is two hydrogen atoms are here, one combined with the Cl to form HCl, another hydrogen is added here, then we get CH3CHO, that is the product CH3CHO. The product is CH3COCl plus hydrogen, palladium in presence of barium sulfate, then we get CH3CO, here one hydrogen atom is added, plus hydrogen chloride is eliminated. So this reaction is known as Rosenmund reduction reaction. First, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl is Clemmensen reduction reaction agent. Palladium in presence of barium sulfate is Rosenmund reduction reaction agent. Next question, benzoic acid. This is benzoic acid, bromine. Bromine in presence of FeBr3. Then what is the product? It's benzoic acid. So when benzene ring, this carboxylic functional group, you know, this is bromination. Then carboxylic functional group are coming. Then these are having meta-directing influence. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids having meta-directive influence. So you know this is COH group attaching carbon. This is the neighboring carbon known as ortho position. This is the meta position. This is the para position. Just opposite para position. This is also ortho. This is also meta. So this is a meta directing group. COH group is a meta directing group. So the Br2 is coming. Then in the meta position, you know, hydrogen atom is present. That one hydrogen atom combined with one bromine atom to form HBr elimination. Then the other bromine atom is attached to the meta position. So bromination takes place on meta position. So the answer is benzoic acid on bromination. We get meta bromo benzoic acid ortho meta, or you can write here also. Instead of this position, this is also meta position. You can use this meta position also. Then also we say it as metabromo benzoic acid. Next question. CH3COOH. Bromine in presence of red phosphorus. You know, very important question. Red phosphorus anywhere you see, then you identified as it is HVZ reaction. Hell-Olhard-Zelinsky reaction. Red phosphorus. Bromination or chlorination in presence of red phosphorus as catalyst. Then the acid consists of alpha hydrogen atom. This is COH group. This is alpha carbon. Containing hydrogen is known as alpha hydrogen. This hydrogen, one hydrogen is replaced by one bromine atom. One hydrogen is removed from here. That hydrogen combined with this one bromine atom to form HBr elimination. The remaining bromine atom is added here. Then we get the product as, and the product is, in this hydrogen, one hydrogen is replaced and one bromine atom is added. From the CH3, one hydrogen removed, then becomes CH2, one bromine is added, BrCOOH. That is bromoacetic acid. This is acetic acid, then one hydrogen is replaced by bromine atom, then known as bromoacetic acid. Next question is methylbenzene or toluene on oxidation in presence of alkaline KMnO for heating. It is an oxidizing agent. So oxidation on heating followed by hydrolysis, then what is the product? This is toluene on oxidation followed by hydrolysis. What is the product? You know, this methylbenzene or alkyl benzene, if it is methyl group or ethyl group or propyl group, any alkyl group is present in this benzene ring, only oxidized to form COOH group in the benzene ring. So we get benzoic acid. Our answer is toluene on oxidation followed by hydrolysis, then we yield benzoic acid. Then another question, how will you convert this toluene to benzoic acid? Oxidation followed by hydrolysis. This next question is HCHO plus HCHO in presence of concentrated KOH alkali. So here two molecules on reaction. Here two aldehydes reacted. So this is aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom. Without alpha. This is the functional group. There is no carbon is attached to this functional group carbon. A carbon atom is attached to this functional group. That carbon is alpha carbon. That containing hydrogen is alpha hydrogen. But this is not alpha hydrogen because it is attached to the functional group CHO carbon. So this is without alpha hydrogen. This also without alpha hydrogen. So undergo Cannizzaro reaction in presence of concentrated alkali. One molecule undergoes self-reduction to form alcohol and one molecule will undergo self-oxidation to form salt of carboxylic acid. Here the molecule undergo reduction to form CH3OH alcohol and oxidized product will be HCOOK, because here we use potassium hydroxide, so we get potassium salt of carboxylic acid. So the answer is reduced product methanol CH3OH. H2 is added here, reduction, and here oxygen is added, HCOOK, potassium formate, potassium salt of carboxylic acid. Next question is this benzoyl chloride, benzene ring with the COCl. Benzoyl chloride on reduction in presence of palladium barium sulfate. You know, palladium in presence of barium sulfate reduction is Rosenman reduction reaction. Then this Cl is replaced by hydrogen atom. Then we get an aldehyde. The Cl is replaced by hydrogen. Then we get CHO. Benzene ring with the CHO, that is benzaldehyde. So the answer is benzoyl chloride on reduction in presence of palladium barium sulfate, Rosenman reduction reaction. Then we get benzaldehyde. One hydrogen react with the Cl to form HCl, then remaining hydrogen atom attached here, then we get CHO. CHO plus HCl, Rosenman reduction reaction. Next question, CH3CHO plus CH3CHO, dilute NaOH. So in presence of dilute NaOH, two aldehyde molecules are reacted, then it is aldol condensation because these aldehyde and aldehyde consist of alpha hydrogen atom. This is aldehyde functional group. Nearest carbon is the alpha carbon. Containing hydrogen is alpha hydrogen. So this is with alpha hydrogen. This also with alpha hydrogen. Aldehyde functional group. Then attaching carbon is alpha carbon. Containing hydrogen is alpha hydrogen. So both of them have alpha hydrogen atoms, so undergo aldol condensation in presence of dilute alkali. You know to write this product because we already wrote it. The answer is CH3CHO plus CH3CHO combine to form. This is alpha hydrogen. So CH3CH, O is right like this. Then one hydrogen is, alpha hydrogen is given to this oxygen to become OH. Then form a bond between them. Then the remaining is CH2CHO. This is known as aldol. Aldehyde and alcoholic functional group. So aldol, which on heating, then from here this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. From beta OH and alpha one hydrogen atom intermolecular elimination to form, here form a double bond between them. Then CH3 CH double bond CH with remaining CHO. This is butadiene. So this is the aldol condensation product. So reaction is known as aldol condensation reaction. This is 4-methyl acetophenone. 4-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-methyl acetophenone. 4-methyl acetophenone on reduction by using zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Then what is the product? You know, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl is used. Then in any compound, CO group is there that become reduced to CH2 group. In any other part, there is no change in this reaction. So CO group changes to CH2 group. Then the product, our product is benzene ring with the CO changes to CH2, CH3. The remaining CH3 is here. So the product is zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl used. Then the product is benzene ring with here CH2, CH3. Here already the CH3 group is present. Next reaction is benzene ring with the CH2CH3, ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene on oxidation followed by hydrolysis. You know, any alkyl group is present in the benzene ring, only oxidized to benzoic acid. The answer is benzoic acid. Next question, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde on treating with the concentrate nitric acid and sulfuric acid, that means nitration. What is the product? You know, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids all are having meta-directing influence. So from this mixture we get NO2 group. That NO2 group goes to the meta position of this aldehydic functional group present in the benzene ring. So this is ortho position, this is meta position. So we get meta-nitro benzaldehyde. The answer is benzaldehyde on nitration. Then we get ortho meta-nitro benzaldehyde. Next question, benzoic acid on nitration, what is the product? Carboxylic group also having meta-directing influence, so NO2 group from nitrating mixture goes to the meta position, then we get meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Benzoic acid on nitration, we get meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Acid functional group, ortho position, meta position, meta-nitrobenzoic acid.